Hello and welcome to Swift TV. I'm Blair Jacobs, and you may have already seen on this channel in a previous film we explored why Swift Group has introduced the Pure construction system on all its coach-built motorhomes for 2015. Well, in this film I want to explore one of the reasons why Pure has been put into all the coach-built motorhomes, and one of the reasons is strength. It's all very well expecting to jump into your new motorhome and expect it to take you safely and securely from one end of Europe to the other. But just how does it get that strength? Well, once again, I've been talking to Swift Group's design director, Chris Milburn, who showed me around the construction factory and first of all, showed me how the sides were put together.
Well, Blair, the process starts with the interior decor panels. So we lay those out and then we apply PU adhesive across the top of that. Now onto that we then lay the Pure, which creates a structural frame around the outside of the caravan shape. Now this frame is very important because this is the part that we use to screw into, which will connect the floor to the sides and the sides to the roof. Now that's a process that we've been using for many years. So it's the same process that we use for timber, but we've now replaced the timber with Pure. We then take polystyrene for its insulative properties, and we then insert that into the side of the caravan in the shape of the van. We then take some extra pieces of Pure and we put those into strategic places, particularly where you've got a door or windows, areas where we need a little bit of extra strength. So we insert into there battens or in some cases shaped components, and they fit in nicely into the CNC cut polystyrene. And they are areas which will then be screwed into to make the fixings for those particular closures. Mm-hmm. The other thing we do then is we then coat the whole lot with another layer of adhesive, and we take the outer skin, a sheet of aluminium, and we then laminate all of that onto the panel. Now each one of those components has its own inherent strength. However, as a collective within a composite panel, it creates an incredibly strong panel.
You know, I found the way these things put together absolutely fascinating. But I had a concern, and my concern was that how effective is Pure when components are screwed into it? Okay, you say that, but don't you screw into Pure? I mean, water could get in that way, couldn't it?
Yes, you're right, we do screw into Pure, but we screw into prescribed depths. So we screw into the material and not through the material. We use stainless steel screws, which we seal, so if any water were to get in, then it's got nowhere to go. It may track up the screw, but the only place for it to go is to back out, because the material that it's screwing into is totally impervious to water.
Well, I hope you can see that Pure really does help in the composition of incredibly strong panels. It's an engineered product and it provides that consistency to help that high quality finish. Well, of course, as always, you can see the entire coach-built motorhome range on the website swiftgroup.co.uk.